So in this episode of GF Details, we're going to be checking to see if P&S Brake Buster has any negative effect on the GTechniq C5 Wheel Armour ceramic coating for wheels. The wheels were coated last year in February. Obviously, this car doesn't see anything but sunny days and is garage kept. Washes are anywhere between every 3 to 6 weeks, depending on how much the car is driven. So I'm going to rinse the wheel first. As you can see here, we do have brake dust buildup. We're going to rinse the wheel thoroughly first. You'll see the hydrophobic properties of the wheel coating. We'll go ahead and foam on the brake buster, allow it to sit for about 2 minutes, and then we will rinse. Okay, so roughly 2 minutes. As you can see, a lot of the foam has collected on the bottom. You don't see much brake dust being removed in the foam like you would with the Autofanatic wheel cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse the wheel and see if there is any need for agitation. Okay, so judging by the beading and the hydrophobic properties, does not appear that the P&S has removed or scarred the wheel coating at all. So if I take a clean towel here, I don't see any dirt from the matte finish on the spoke, so we'll check the inside of the barrel. Part of the rag seems to be clean. Now the ultimate test would be the gloss black lip. And judging by the towel, there is nothing remaining. So I'm going to grab one other towel here. So I had to run in the house. I'm going to grab a fresh, new, clean, yellow microfiber towel, and I am going to wrap my finger and go around the lip here. And as you can see, there is just a small amount of dirt right here, and that would be from the tip of my finger, which would be along the very inside of the lip area. So this is the dirt here. The rest of it just looks dark because it's wet. So I would say that the P&S brake buster is pretty good. So obviously I have 2 other videos showing it used in the IK foamer like I did today, and just using it out of the spray bottle. So I will put links to the products below. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are using a different wheel cleaner, let me know in the comments below. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.